These self-anchoring tree shelters turn into tree guards to protect your trees from deer, rabbits, and other browsers. They're available in New England gray here and bark brown. But how can a 4-inch wide tube like this wrap around a tree like this? Watch how it works. Just squeeze the two halves together and push into the ground. But what if you encounter a lot of roots that prevent you from pushing all 4 pins in the ground? Watch this trick. Just flip the tube around. Try that with your old-fashioned tube and stake. The specially engineered Velcro secures both halves together, and the built-in white pepper scent repels deer and other browsers. These 4 12-inch stakes will hold your tube in place. And unlike other old-fashioned tube and stakes, these tubes are made with high-density polyethylene, so you can use them over and over again. They're guaranteed to last for 10 years.